Hey Emilio, it's Tabitha here with Beast Bay Digital from the East Bay. We spoke on the phone this morning and I just wanted to shoot you this video to show you 3 different ways that you yourself, me, or whoever you'd like to help you out online can use to improve your online presence and ultimately get you more customers. With that, let's begin. The 3 things I'm covering today is content, backlinks, and citations. I'm going to use your business site as an example to kind of just show you what you could do if you were to make your own website and what you would need to get it ranked on Google. The first thing I want to talk about is content. Now, content is king in Google's eyes. They would love to see about like 2,000 words on the first page, and in those 2,000 words, it would just clearly explain what you do, who you are, filled with keywords and phrases and terms that people search on Google, like Autoglass Oakland or Autoglass Repair Oakland. When people search these terms, you want to be up in like the first page. So Google also likes photos. Now they don't look at the photo per se, but they do look at what the photo is named after. And this is not named at all, but you could easily name this Autoglass Medics, Auto Mobile Window Repair Oakland, or Window Repair Oakland, or Oakland Window Repair, and you could do that with each of these photos as well. I'm going to take you to one of your competitors' websites just to show how they're doing. Now, you might have heard of them, Glass on the Move. If you look at their first page, they have all this information of like who they are, where they're located, who they're servicing. Their phone number is listed everywhere on the top and throughout the site. And they have each of their services on a different page, which they can rank those pages as well. And as you can see, they have some content on each of those back pages. And you only need about like 500 to 1,000 words on each back page. I'm also going to pull up another competitor of yours. You might have heard of them too, the Fast Mobile Autoglass. Pulling up their website, they don't have a lot of content either, but I realized going through their website, they actually do this thing called keyword stuffing, where they just kind of put all of the same words in one mosh posh paragraph. And I don't think anybody's really reading that. So that's something you don't want to do, is keyword stuff. The second thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. And I'm pulling up this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. It's spelled A-H-R-E-F-S. It's a tool that costs me about like $400 a month. And it kind of tells you the status or how well a site is doing online. Now, backlinks are links that are on other websites that refer or link back to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. Looking at your stats, the UR here is the strength of your URL, how powerful your URL is. The DR here is the trust and popularity that you have in Google's eyes, and this is out of 100. So you're doing pretty well in the popularity contest of the internet. But we just need some backlinks to kind of boost that popularity up to get you onto that first page. Now you have no backlinks, which can easily be changed. No keywords you're ranking for, which can also easily be changed with some content. I'm just going to pull up your competitions, which is Autoglass on the Move, and they have about 1,000 backlinks. So you saw that they didn't really have a lot of content on their first page, but this is where the magic is happening, in the back end of the website with the backlinks and the keywords. Their trust, the links that they have on these referring domains don't give a lot of trust to Google. So if you just get those backlinks, I'm sure you will easily climb the SERP, or the search engine results page. We're going to look at organic keywords because these are the words that they're ranking for and have on their website. So when people search Autoglass or Oakland Autoglass, there's 100 people that are searching Oakland Autoglass each month. Yeah, volume. These many people are searching these keywords each month. And you could be, and I think you're like kind of missing out on all of these searches. What's important here is also the position that they're in when people are searching for these words. So you can see they're doing pretty well. I've also brought up Fast Mobile Autoglass. They only have 73 backlinks. And say you get like 140 backlinks, you are already on your way up on the first page. And then their organic keywords show where they are in the position. They kind of have the same keywords that they're ranking for. Then these are all included in their content. The last thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are your name, address, and phone number located all over the web. So when I search you up, I see you already have your Google My Business happening. We just want to kind of add more things to it, like add all those photos on there, get those reviews, add all the information needed, and Google will see that you are, that's like another citation. Other citations are like Facebook, Yelp, well you have Facebook, Yelp, BuzzFile, Yellow Pages, those are all citations. And getting that information out there will show Google that you're a very important business and you need to be cited everywhere. This is just a tool called WhiteSpark. It kind of just shows me how many citations you actually have for your business site. Only 11, but yeah, you could slowly put more citations out there and Google will have you in, once they see you have a lot of citations, they'll put you in here, which is called the Google Map Pack, and you are placed in here if you have many citations. So those are the 3 things I just wanted to cover in this video that will help you improve your online presence if you have a website. So one is content. It's anything on the first page with like 2,000 words and pictures. Then there's backlinks. They're links that create different avenue for people to find your business. And then there's citations, which also includes like the Google Map Pack, and that's just your listing of name, address, phone number all over the web. So let me know what you think of this video. I hope you learned a lot and hopefully you can use it to improve your online presence, or if you're interested in using my business to help you, do contact me. I'll have it in the I'll have the information in the email. But I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have a great rest of your day, Emilio. I hope to talk to you soon. Okay, bye.